In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Sendwave to Bkash. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move money from your Sendwave app straight into a Bkash wallet in Bangladesh with no confusion and no missed details. Start by opening your Sendwave app on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version so you see the most up-to-date options and rates. Log in with your account and complete any quick security checks your device prompts, like Face ID or a passcode, to keep your account secure. Once you're on the dashboard, you're ready to start a transfer. Tap to begin sending money, then go to your recipient list. If you're sending to someone new, you'll add them here. Set the recipient's country to Bangladesh so the app displays the right delivery options and currency. Next, choose the delivery method. Select Send to Bkash wallet. This ensures the money lands directly in the recipient's mobile wallet rather than a different payout type. Now enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their Bkash account. Accuracy matters to avoid delays. Enter the recipient's mobile number linked to their Bkash wallet. Because you selected Bangladesh, the country code is handled for you. Just type the local number carefully. Retype the mobile number to confirm there are no typos. When everything looks correct, tap Save, so this recipient is stored for future transfers. Continue to the payment section to fund the transfer. Choose your payment method, such as a debit card or bank options supported in your region. Make sure your card has sufficient balance and is enabled for international transactions. The app will show any fees associated with your chosen funding source. Enter the amount you want to send in US dollars. Sendwave automatically converts it to Bangladeshi taka, so you'll see the USD to BT conversion, the exchange rate, and any fees before you proceed. Review the estimated delivery time and any applicable limits, so there are no surprises. Tap to continue, then review the full summary. Recipient name, Bkash number, delivery method, amount in both currencies, fees, and total charge. If everything is correct, tap Confirm Transfer. Your bank may ask for an extra authentication step. Complete that to finalize the payment. You'll get a confirmation screen and a receipt in the app. The recipient should see the funds in their Bkash wallet shortly. You can let them know to check their balance. Before you finish, double check that the name and number match the recipient's Bkash account. Consider starting with a small test amount. Keep your notifications on for transfer updates and save your receipt for your records. That's it. You've successfully sent money from Sendwave to Bkash.